In this set of videos, we've had the opportunity to take a look at the world of passwords, including password policies, complexities, alternatives to passwords with multi-factor authentication. And to wrap up this section of videos, I thought it'd be cool if we just did a couple review questions to finish it off. So we'll start off with question number 1. Which of the following are best practices for passwords? So I want you to take a look at all 5 of these and choose all that apply, which are best practices. All right, let's pick these off the list here. So best practices, 8 characters or more, definitely a yes. Use upper and lowercase characters, yes. Use passphrases, double yes. I'm going to go ahead and put ×2 there because that's a great idea. Use a text document to store passwords, no. And then answer E is use alpha and numeric characters. That would be a yes as well. Also, if the option existed here to use special characters, we'd want to choose that also as a good password policy. We also discussed in the videos the benefit of setting up aging on our passwords so that they're required to be changed after a period of time. All right, let's take a look at question number 2. As part of authentication, a user is required to supply their password and answer a security question. Which of the following are true based on this? So take a look at these 4 options and let's choose which ones are accurate or true, and we'll be back in just a moment to compare notes. All right, so the 3 factors we discussed in these videos for multi-factor authentication was, first of all, something that the user knows. And then as another category or another factor, something that the user has, like a bank card or a chip or a certificate. And then the last one was something that the user is, like biometrics. So if we take a look at this authentication requirement, a password would be something that the user knows, and answering a security question also would be something that the user knows. So at this point, we are only in one category. So this is not multi-factor authentication if all we're doing is choosing authentication items from a single category, which is in this case is something the user knows. So A is out. B says this is single factor authentication, which indeed it is, because we're using everything from this single factor regarding something the user knows. So answer B is correct. Answer C says this is more secure than just a password. And I would agree with that. So even though it's not multi-factor authentication, it is more secure than just a password because we have the password plus answering a security question for the user to continue. And then answer D says this is based on something that the user has, which is a big goose egg. So answer D is out. So if we were requiring a digital certificate or a one-time password or a key fob or a bank card or something else that the individual user had, that would be from this category. But in this situation, it's not being requested. So the answers here are answers B and answer C. So I'm grateful that you joined me in this set of videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Meanwhile, I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.